Hey, hope you're doing good today. I'm actually in the back end of my management, WordPress management account with my host. This may look a little bit different depending upon what host that you currently have. Mine is Big Scoots. And so we're just going to go down here to WordPress. This is a new site that I don't remember being on. Okay, good, I haven't. Alright, so I don't have a lot of URLs because, Anyway, we're going to go install, quick install. We're not going to do a custom. No reason to really, unless you're a tech expert. Some people I know, but if you're not, then that's the way that you'll do that. Sorry about that. Alright, so that's been installed. So you just click on the W up here and log in. Close out of that real quick there. Alright, so a few things that I do in the very first thing, I'll show you really quick here so you don't get it confused on your Google Analytics. That'll be another video that we can do. Yes, it's a cookies blog, so why not? Have a coffee blog that I just started. Might as well have a cookies blog. Alrighty, and so we click on save right there. And then I go ahead and I go down here to discussion. I skip over everything else, and before a comment appears, comment must be manually approved, because if not, you'll have 600 spam messages in a heartbeat. Ask me how I know. And so then you can go and delete any other comments that may already be there. And then I'm going to go to plugins. Okay, we're going to go ahead and delete Hello Dolly. I'm not going to do Google Analytics. Usually that's the next step that I take. We'll save that for a different video. Now we're just showing to install Kadence. Because if you go here and you look at Kadence, you do want to grab this one. You do not want this one. Do not install that one. It will mess up your anchor theme that we're trying to install. You're going to say add new plugin, upload plugin. I didn't clean up my back end of my computer before doing this, so you get to see whatever's here real quick, if you look quick enough. And then we're going to actually go and get Kadence starter templates. We're going to install that. We're going to activate that plugin. Alright, and then we're going to activate the Gutenberg's already activated. And so then we're going to go appearance themes. If you bought whatever theme that you bought from, in this case it's Restored 316 with the anchored theme that we're looking at. And so we're going to go ahead and go to anchored. We're going to install it. We're going to activate it. Alright, you're not completely ready yet. You have to go to starter templates. Click Restored 316. Then click on here. And then click on there. It's a very simple, pretty theme. It's $129. I will leave my affiliate link below for anybody that doesn't have it. You just wait. You can dance if you want to dance. Not sure if my actual video is recording down at the bottom. Not video face, but my face is recording down at the bottom. It may be, it might not be. Don't know. And we're waiting. I rebooted, thank goodness. We'd be waiting a lot longer while it imports. You can play a game, throw a ball on the wall, whatever you want to do. Chocolate covered cookies. There we go. And I can do more customization videos with you here and do a whole setting up a theme. But that is it. And then if you want your front page to look different, you can go back over here if they have other options. I don't remember, but we are about to find out. And the way that you do that, you go to settings, you go to reading, homepage. Okay, for this theme, that's the only layout that it has. If you have a different theme, you can come here and find out, and then you would just choose the page you want, click on Save Changes, and then you should be all set. So anyway, I will talk to you later, and make sure this is always left unchecked, or Google will never, ever, ever find you. So have a great day. Bye.